Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix face id and passcode. Face id and passcode option is not showing in the settings app on iPhone after update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. So guys, let's get started this video. So guys, first of all, go to the settings app on your iPhone. So scroll down now, scroll down and tap on screen time here. Scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone. So here is the setting, content and privacy settings. So simply scroll down and find the passcode changes option here. So here is the passcode changes option. So simply tap on it and simply tap on the allow option. Go back. So close all the settings. After closing the settings, open settings again on your iPhone to check. So scroll down now. So you can see guys, face ID and passcode option is now showing in my settings. So guys, here is the simple solutions to get back face ID and passcode option in your settings. So guys, when you turn off this, and your option will be gone from the settings. So wait for it. So here you can see guys, face ID and passcode is gone. So simply go to screen time, content and price restrictions, passcode changes, allow, and come back to the settings again and refresh the settings. So you can see that, sorry, you can see that password and face ID. So guys, here is the simple method to get back your face ID and passcode settings on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.